Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how do I contact Wix customer service. So let's go to the browser and you have to write here wix.com/contact. This one you have to write this one wix.com/contact. Press enter. Then you have to choose one problem. Any problem you can choose from here. I'm choosing this one, account site and setting or accepting payments. Clicking on this. Then you have to just write here talk to a human or start a live chat. Start a live chat. Click on this and you can see here that start a live chat is here. You have to click on this. Now you can see that here is writing waiting for a chat agent to join. So you have to wait for some seconds to minutes, maybe it's up to 10 minutes. Then you will find here a Wix customer service agent will talk to you and you can share your problem and fix your problem with him. Okay, so this is how you can contact uh, Wix customer service. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.